So hello, welcome back guys, welcome back to another brand new video on the Mr. AJ YouTube channel. On today's video, wait a minute before we start today's video, I want to say the biggest sorry to all of you guys. Yeah, I haven't uploaded any video for about a month and a half, and like the real Mr. AJ YouTube video, like vlogs, DIY kind of stuff. It's been 3 months, the China vlog. So yeah, I've went to China, I've came back to China, my brother has came here, he has come back, I've gone through the whole test season and I haven't uploaded any video. Yeah, I'm very bad at this YouTube game, but whatever. We have broke the 200 subscriber barrier and the 100,000 views subscriber viewers barrier milestone, whatever. And yeah, thank you all for you guys. I'm very sorry I didn't upload it. There's a problem with, you know, the Logan Paul, so I don't want to bring that back, but basically ever since that, YouTube made a new policy and a new threshold, and I have some issues because I was very close to reaching the previous threshold, and I was about to receive a sum of money from AdSense, but that didn't happen. So yeah, screw my life, right? Whatever. So on today's video, I'm gonna be going back to the Mr. AJ roots. I started my videos with DIY videos and how-to videos, and today we're gonna do that again. You know what? Why? Because I just wanted to share my technique how to do this, and I think this is the simplest way I figured it out. I figured it out completely by myself. Okay, maybe someone in YouTube has done it, but what I did is I did it myself. Okay, so all you need to do, no, you know what? Let me just tell you what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do is, I have this laptop you see over here, and most laptop has like the processor sticker or whatever. Sorry for the glare. There you go. Wait, focus, please. There you go. This sticker. This is an AMD. This one had a like an E1, and it's like low end, and it kind of didn't look cool, so I just marker it out, and it looked pretty good. But now I just want to remove it, maybe for like a cleaner look. Some of you might like it, but I guess I understand if it's like an i7 with a prop with like a graphic card. This is just a AMD Vision. Doesn't really make sense. It's not really that cool, so might as well just remove it. So it's pretty straightforward and simple to remove it. All you need to do it is a simple hairdryer. We have a hairdryer here. Yeah, look, it's a normal hairdryer. It's a 400-watt hairdryer, nothing special about it. We need an eraser, just any type of eraser you want. It's pretty much just the same. Will it focus? Yeah, it's just normal eraser kind of, so it doesn't make really any difference. And some tissue or paper towel, whatever, just to clean it off. So let's get started.
This whole world twice, if I could be a paradise.
So okay, step 1, this is gonna be pretty straightforward. First of all, you wanna get one of these, just these tissue, and get a ply of it. So you want to break it in half. Usually it's like 2 plies, and make a small hole kind of like that, and now place it over here. Place it on top. Come on, please. There you go. Place it on top. And you know what? Why don't I just use half of it like that? So you basically want to cover part of the intake. Why? So the air coming out is now like less air and more heat. Get it? But you don't want to completely block it off, because the hairdryer will overheat and it will shut off. Why? And how do I know this? Believe me, I learned the hard way around. So it's pretty easy. Just put it here and turn it on. Okay, might be useful if I plug in the cable. Give me a moment. Okay, so works now, and all you have to do is take that single ply and just put it like halfway. And now once you suck it, it's gonna stay there. So yeah, it's rather than opening it with tissue and more air, you now have more heat. So simply now put the laptop in. Let me just aim the camera. So okay, now super simple, straightforward. I'm gonna take a seat. Okay, so now I'm just gonna halfway. You want to just aim it there and give it a few minutes, not a few minutes, just until it's pretty hot. Okay, I think that's good. The glue should be a bit like, so the purpose of heating it up is so the glue, like, it's easier for us to peel it off without the glue sticking too much. And then, oh, see, it's just super simple now. Super easy. Oh, it's getting a bit stiff again. Once it gets a bit like hard to pull, just hair dryer it again. Why? So you don't leave any of the glue there. Okay, so I deliberately pulled it a bit aggressive so I could leave some of this, like, yeah, like the glue stain, whatever, the tape. Cause I could have just got it perfectly out like that on the first half. It's perfect, but just for the purpose of making sure you guys know, just in case yours don't come out as easy as mine did. Now the eraser comes to play. If that can get into focus, let me just focus. So as you guys can see now, yep, the first half was pretty much perfect and the second half was the bit that got a bit worse. So now just get your eraser and start erasing it. As you guys can see, the glue is like sticking to the eraser or vice versa. Just give it like a proper scrub. You don't want to make it the radius too far because it's gonna be hard to clean up. Just erase it. Okay, perfecto. As you guys can see, it's nearly perfect. And now the tissue comes into play. You just need kind of like a moist-ish, wettish tissue, and you just wipe it. Or you could use like anything just to wipe this down. Take a dry tissue, do it again. And if you can, there's still a bit, so let me do it again. I'll just put this off camera. So as you guys can see, it's now absolutely perfectly clean. There is no more marks whatsoever. Just look at the paint. You could barely see it, and that's like, and if you see like that white thing, it's like eraser debris, and yeah, it doesn't even feel sticky or oily. Maybe a bit oily from the eraser. Just use some cleaning agent and you should be fine. But I'm already very pleased. I can't see it, like even like now I can't see it, but maybe under the light, like, yeah, like that, where the paint is completely exposed, you could start to see. But because I'm just cleaning it with the with water. Oh yeah, see, it's basically perfect. That's the other side where no stickers have been, and that's the side, this other side. Oh my god. So yeah, so okay guys, we have finished today's video. As you guys can see, the laptop is in perfect condition. Nothing, you know what, let's put a little flash and see the result. Wait, where's the flash? Okay, we have a little flashlight over here, and look. Wait, I did it on this side. Perfect, like perfect. No marks left or no nothing. Look at that. Look at that. The paint is glistening. The laptop is perfectly working, like nothing is wrong, there's no marks left. And so I would say today's video is a big success. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. I'm so sorry if I'm not uploading. I will promise I will try to make more content since holiday season is coming back. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching the Mr. AJ YouTube channel. I kind of forgot my outro, but basically, you know what, I'm just gonna make a new one then. So thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the Mr. AJ YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and peace guys. Yeah, I think that was pretty much the same outro I did.